Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your October love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe, Magic Wins Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. And if you want to buy your own personal 2022 readings, please visit our website. I have also done a pick a card, you can check that out. The Hindi Urdu versions of these readings have already done, so links are in the timestamps. So Libras, let us see how the month of October will be. There is a new moon in Libra around the 6th of October, so lucky time for you, Libras. What is the theme of the month of October for Libras? The Knight of Pentacles. So, money is definitely very, very important. Success is important. Security is very important. I see news coming your way, good news coming. And this is a study month, not a very fast kind of a month for you, Queen of Cups. Love is coming your way, Libras. Yes, you're gonna feel emotionally very happy, very content. I feel something will happen this month which will make you feel very happy. Like some new job offers are coming, you're getting a promotion, or you're getting you're happy with your work. You get a appraisal at your work. Also, this is a slow kind, this is a study, it's not slow, but this is a study month, so you can focus more on your love life also. Earlier, the last month was very busy for you, Libras, so you were not able to focus much on anything except work, but this month you can focus on love. Okay, and see, Six of Wands. Yes, achievements are definitely coming your way. I also feel that some of you will definitely clear your exam. Some of you will be very, very proud of yourself. This is a month where you are shining, Libras. There is achievement, there is reward, there is award coming your way. You're gonna feel very, even if nothing is coming your way, you're gonna feel very proud of yourself. You're gonna feel like, yeah, we are doing it. So you're feeling very happy about yourself and proud of yourself. If you are a student, you could be clearing some exams, you could be awarded, you could be rewarded. Also, some of you could be getting the best employee award at work, the best entrepreneur, I don't know, you and something about your mother is also important. Like, your mother will be very happy with your success. Your mother is very important in the month of October, friends, Libras. So yeah. And Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces people are also important for you. So let us see your love life. And this month will be very slow, not like very slow, but medium paced. It's not very quick. You can relax also in this month. You can enjoy. Things will be going well on its own. Money will be coming. Life will be less stressful. That's a good thing. Whew. Last month was very stressful, very hectic. For Libras, let's see their love life now. All right, the Emperor, yeah, that's your energy. Ace of Cups, ooh, nice, interesting. Okay, the Magician, and the Two of Cups. Whoa, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, Temperance, brilliant. Knight of Cups, okay. Justice, okay. King of Pentacles, the King of Swords, Wheel of Fortune. I see a lot of people will be important for you, friends, in the month of October. A lot of people are coming your way. And Page of Cups and transformation, things are definitely changing. And the Queen of Swords, wow. So definitely, you are attracting a new love. Definitely, if you're really, really single, Libras, new love is coming. Even if you are coupled up, there are people interested in you. So there is a new love coming. I also see a renewal happening for you, friends. Someone who was very some person was distant from you, the Emperor. that person is coming back, of they will be messaging you, trying to reconnect with you, but messages of love will be coming for you, new or old. Love will be messaging you, friends. Also, you will feel very solid and stable about yourself, about your power of attraction. I don't know, there is like people messaging you, asking you out, there is love and relationships, but you are like, yes, you're waiting and watching, you are not taking any, you are waiting and watching, you are not making any actions, you are not doing anything, you're just waiting and watching. So that's a good thing. I also feel some of you are manifesting new love in the first week of October. You are like, yeah, we are doing well at work. Now it is time to manifest a partner, a life partner, so let's do it, let's manifest. So Libras, some of you will get messages in the first week, others are manifesting a new love. The second week, proposals are coming. Yes, a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is going to propose you. Your relationships will be back on track. There will be a lot of harmony, romance, love, emotions, a lot of happiness. I do feel that, for some of you, if you're really single, by the second week you can expect a romance, or you will be talking to someone from social media, where you feel like, oh, how nice to date this person. So yeah, the Temperance, yes, your love life is definitely going in getting in balance. Things are coming in balance again. So this is a good week for you. The second week is wonderful week for you. There is balance, there is love, there is mutual attraction and love, communications. Great week, Libras. Okay, the third week is a very important week for you, Libras. Things will be changing in your love life. The third week, things will be very, very quick in your life. Things will be shifting, things will be moving. Um, your love life will be changing, directions very quickly. Like someone will say, like, we want to meet you, hey, let's get married, let's date. So there, a lot of big decisions, movement will happen in the third week. Justice, yes, some of you, if you were stuck in third parties, justice will happen. If some you were stuck in a divorce, or some third party issues, justice will happen, but things will be quick. This is a quick week for you. Knight of Swords, yes, love will be, you will be very clear about what you want, what you don't want. Another thing I'm seeing is love might be happening over online. Like someone will message you very quickly, hey, I'm coming over to see you, and you might miss that message, and that person can get angry, or you might get angry, like, why? So check your emails, check your text, check your phone calls. And the King of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important. So a lot of people are important for you in the third week, and this is a major week. I also feel some of you may be having issues with family, or with elders, or people who are elder than you. Maybe in-laws also you have issues, but they will be resolved, so have some patience. Okay. So the fourth week is extremely transformative for you. Some of the things of the past will be going away, like third party blocks and restrictions. If you were in a long distance relationship, you can expect it to be like your lover meeting you often, distance being removed in your love life. The Queen of Swords. Okay, so I do feel that there is an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person affecting your relationship. Okay, I'm getting like, even in the fourth week, there might be people who want to separate you and your lover, like a mother-in-law, or some ex-person. There is somebody in your life, or your lover's life, who wants to separate you, or who is very dominating, but they will not be able to affect your relationships, because there is love. Your partner is also very loving. They are also very sure about you. So expect some changes, expect some you will put some boundaries in this fourth week, but it is good. So let us see some advice for Libras. Advice for Libras. Okay, shadow, the moon. So yeah, your love life is a little, things, you may feel confused about your love life, like things one day are good, the other day they are a little confusing. So try to look beneath the surface for solutions. Patience, yes, patience is very, very necessary. Do not give up, friends. This month, I told you, October is asking you to be patient. Rewards, you are shining, but just be patient. Solitude, yes. Some of you will be, you may feel like you are alone, your partner is not giving you time. Right now, you may be feeling like, love is not coming. You have been single since a long time, because there is that card of Ace of Cups. So, new love is coming. You remember this? Ace of Cups. Some of you are like, we are alone from a very long time. When will we find love? Chances are in October you may find it, so don't worry. Let's see your work and career now. October, Libra's work and career. The Hanged Man. The Eight of Wands. Oh my god, the Devil. Conflict and defeat, and victory and success. So yeah, okay friends, the main thing that you need to know is that you will be working very, very hard. You will be very proactive about your work, about your career, about your studies. You will be putting in a lot of effort for your work, for your career, or some project which you really want, or you want to clear an exam. You will be putting in a lot of effort. I feel like, uh, some of you may be waiting for something to happen from a very long time, like you want to clear an exam, but the exam is in October, so you are like, when will it happen and we'll be free from all this tension and pressure. Some of you are waiting or working for a promotion or for a job, so you are like, when will we get this job, when will we be promoted? So again, again, be patient. Things are working in your favor. Give it some time, Libras, and you will be obsessed to work hard. You will be really, really working hard. um, you know some of you may even want to do two jobs. You may even want to help others, go out of your way to help others. Some of you may become obsessed about your work and career. So it can result in acidity or, you know, anxiety for you, Libra. So try and relax, You will have a lot of stamina. You will have a lot of excitement for work, but try to keep it balanced. Conflict and defeat. Yeah, some of you are like, some, I feel like at the start, someone may actually disappoint you at your work or in your studies. Like an exam is there, you may feel disappointed, or you may have at the start of October a little negative thinking, but it will change. Also, you will feel like people are not supporting you at your work, in your office or around you. Your teachers are not very supportive of you. They don't really, they don't praise you. So why will you be the winner of this? But you will be, because victory and success. You are very hardworking, Libras. Even if you feel others are not ready to make you win, you will still win. Nobody can stop your victory. The October is your month of victory. So yes, let us see some advice for you. So I think, don't worry and stay safe, Libras, and prepare well. So let's see some advice for Libras. Okay, there are too many cards. I'll pick one. Trust the universe. Yes, of course, that's exactly. You must trust the universe. Things are working out for you. There is a lot of things are happening behind the scenes for you, Libras, which you cannot see right now. So just keep that in mind. Expect miracles. Yes, money is coming, love is coming. So expect miracles to come your way. And forgiveness and understanding. Keep your heart open, Libras. I know you all are very loving and kind all the time, but this is the month to forgive yourself and be kind to yourself also. Anything else? Okay, Libras, let's see. Goldfish, increase in material wealth or spiritual growth. So money is coming your way, friends, and not just money. I see gold. Like, some of you may actually be getting a gold medal or something, or you want to achieve a gold medal, like, a university gold medal or something like that. Both money or property through an inheritance, winning or windfall. Oh my god. So it is like a lot of money is coming your way, friends, and not just money, inheritances, property. Some, I think you're very lucky. So even if you try lotteries and all, you'll be lucky, but be careful, don't go to extreme. Okay, you will be lucky to win like games and all those kind of things, but in moderation, don't go to extremes. Fair man, dealings or relationship with a man with blonde or gray or white hair. So somebody, a man is important. Broken ring, parting of the ways in either romance or business. Yeah, there are people which you feel are not on your side, even at work. Candle, you will be shown the way, but you will see the way through, so don't worry. And problems to be revealed, inkpot. Yeah, I feel not just problems, but solutions will also be shown to you. Fire, strong emotions, passionate love. Wow, there is a lot of passion in your relationships. And diamond, you are receiving or giving a precious gift. Okay. And firecracker, excitement. So a lot of excitement is coming your way, Libras. It's a great month for you. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.